I'm really excited to bring you this house today at 615 Dale in San Marcos, Texas. It is in one of my favorite neighborhoods, Oak Heights. It's on 2 lots, 2338 square feet, all 1 story, completely redone. You've got to see this. This mid-century home was a complete remodel and is updated with modern fixtures throughout. It features an open floor plan, ideal for entertaining with 2 living areas. This is such a rare find on the west side of San Marcos, just steps away from Crockett Elementary and within a mile of Texas State University. I love the way this home is set up. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 baths on one end, and on the other end, there is another separate bedroom and full bath. This would be a great setup for a multi-generational living situation or a guest suite. You will love the large lot size of this yard with plenty of oak trees. The backyard is fully fenced with a large deck and storage building.